You won't believe what this cooker can do. Underscore. Rice. It's a staple food for billions of people around the world. But let's be real, it can get pretty boring, pretty fast. I mean, who wants to eat plain rice every day? It's not exactly the most exciting meal, is it? I mean, think about it. We've all been there. We are stuck in a cooking rut, making the same old meals over and over again. It's like we are stuck in a culinary Groundhog Day. But what if I told you there's a revolutionary, game-changing cooker that can help you break free from the cooking blues once and for all? A cooker that's so versatile, so easy to use, and so powerful, it'll make you wonder how you ever managed without it. A cooker that will transform the way you cook, making it faster, easier, and more enjoyable than ever before. Imagine having a cooker that can do it all, from cooking perfect rice, to steaming vegetables, to making delicious dumplings, and even cooking tender, juicy meats. A cooker that's like having a personal chef in your kitchen, but without the hefty price tag. A cooker that's designed to make cooking easy, convenient, and fun, even for the most novice cooks. A cooker that will give you the confidence to try new recipes, experiment with new flavors, and explore new cuisines. A cooker that's not just a kitchen appliance, but a game changer. A cooker that will change the way you think about cooking and make you wonder how you ever lived without it. So, are you ready to discover the ultimate cooking solution? A cooker that's packed with innovative features, such as advanced temperature control, automatic cooking settings, and a large capacity cooking pot. A cooker that's designed to make cooking easy, efficient, and enjoyable. Imagine being able to cook a wide variety of dishes, from hearty stews and soups, to tender roasts and steaks, to flavorful stir-fries and curries. A cooker that's versatile enough to handle any cooking task you throw at it. A cooker that's also healthy, allowing you to cook with minimal oil and retain the nutrients of your food. A cooker that's perfect for health-conscious individuals, busy families, and anyone looking for a convenient and easy way to cook delicious meals. But don't just take our word for it. Thousands of satisfied customers have already experienced the power and convenience of this amazing cooker. Ultimate Cooker. With its cutting-edge technology and ingenious multifunctional design, this cooker is the ultimate kitchen powerhouse. It's the perfect solution for home cooks, professional chefs, and anyone looking to take their cooking to the next level. From cooking perfect rice, to steaming vegetables, to even making delicious dumplings, savory stews, hearty soups, tender roasts, juicy steaks, flavorful stir-fries, and mouth-watering curries, the possibilities are truly endless. With its advanced temperature control system, automatic cooking settings, and large capacity cooking pot, this cooker makes quick work of even the most complex cooking tasks. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a large family, this cooker has got you covered. Imagine being able to cook a wide variety of dishes, from international cuisine to comfort food classics, all with the touch of a button. Imagine having the confidence to try new recipes, experiment with new flavors, and explore new cuisines. This cooker is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a cooking companion that will inspire you to new culinary heights. With its ease of use, versatility, and impressive performance, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. So why settle for an ordinary cooker when you can have an ultimate cooker? Upgrade your cooking experience today and discover a world of limitless culinary possibilities. But here's the thing, this cooker is so good, it's going to make you wonder why you ever settled for those boring, bland meals in the first place. Were you just lazy, or did you not know any better? Imagine being able to cook healthy, delicious meals for your loved ones without spending hours in the kitchen. Imagine the look on their faces when you serve them a meal that's not only tasty, but also nutritious. With the ultimate cooker, You can cook a complete meal in just one go. Rice, vegetables, dumplings, it's all possible with this amazing cooker. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Don't settle for boring meals any longer. Get your ultimate cooker today and start cooking like a pro. Order now and get free shipping, plus a complimentary cookbook packed with delicious recipes to get you started. From cooking the perfect steak to making delicious vegetarian dishes, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share.